In today's fast-paced business world, efficiency and productivity are paramount. But achieving these goals doesn't have to mean longer hours or additional staff. So what's the solution? Automation. By integrating automation into your workplace, you can streamline processes, reduce manual labor, and allow your team to focus on what truly matters. Workplace automation involves using technology to perform tasks that traditionally require human intervention. This ranges from simple actions like automated email responses to complex workflows managing entire business operations. Automation can be applied across various business functions. Repetitive tasks. Automate invoice approvals, payment processing, and social media scheduling to save time and reduce errors. Customer support. Implement chatbots to provide 24/7 support, ensuring customer queries are addressed promptly. Data management. Use automated systems to collect, process, and analyze data, facilitating informed decision-making. Embracing automation offers numerous advantages. Increased efficiency. Accelerate processes by reducing manual intervention. Cost savings. Lower labor costs and minimize human errors. Employee satisfaction. Free your team from mundane tasks, allowing them to engage in more strategic and fulfilling work. Digital signage is a powerful automation tool that enhances workplace communication. Display real-time updates, performance metrics, and important announcements, ensuring everyone stays informed and aligned. To integrate automation effectively, assess needs. Identify the tasks that are time-consuming and prone to errors. Choose the right tools. Select automation solutions that align with your business objectives. Train your team. Ensure your employees are equipped to work alongside new technologies. Monitor and optimize. Continuously evaluate the impact of automation and make necessary adjustments. Automation is transforming the modern workplace, offering opportunities to enhance efficiency and productivity. By embracing these technologies, you can position your business for sustained success in an increasingly competitive landscape. Ready to revolutionize your workplace? Explore automation solutions today and unlock your team's full potential. Get started for free at yodeck.com.